Hello everyone, today we are going to make the hexagon pattern number 5. Here is the original, which is made from a 4-ply mini skein. And I make it for you in 8-ply so you can see the pattern a lot easier. Righto, let's dive in. To make this little hexagon pattern, you will need your yarn. I'm using Stylecraft Special DK. And then you'll need your corresponding hook to the yarn size that you've chosen. So my 4mm hook goes with the 8-ply yarn. You will need scissors and darning needle as well. I start my work with a double magic ring because single magic rings can actually come undone. So yarn end in your left hand, wrap your yarn around 2 fingers twice. Pull that loop up with your hook. Now yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. We're going to work half double crochets around this first round. So making one more chain, and that 2 chain is going to count as a half double crochet just for this round. So yarn over hook, pop hook into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now we're going to chain 1. We're going to do 2 more half double crochets. Yarn over, pop your hook through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Do that same thing again. Yarn over, hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now chain 1. Your chain 1 is going to be becoming your hexagon corners. All right, 2 more half double crochets. Yarn over, hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Doing that again. Chaining 1. Another set of 2 half double crochets, chain 1. Let's see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more to make our hexagon. Chain 1 and last set. Chaining 1. I elongate that stitch so I don't lose it when I have my work off my hook. Now I'm going to pull on that yarn end and one of the loops will cinch in. The one that's cinched in, you need to grab hold of it and pull the other loop in to close up the circle in the middle of your work. Then pull that yarn tail and the other loop will go in, making it nice and neat. Now to finish off the round with a slip stitch under that first stitch that we made. Pull up a loop, now pull the left loop through the right. Now we need to work our way across to the chain 1 space with a slip stitch. We can go into the stitch which is directly to the left, working under the top of that little V. Pull up a loop, pull it through the loop on the right, and now doing that again into that chain 1 space. That starts your work in the center of the corner. Now we're going to do round 2. We're going to do what is called a V-stitch in each of the corners. It is a double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in each space. We're going to start off with our special little double crochet. So pulling a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a single crochet and a chain 1. Now we're going to chain 2 for the corner. Yarn over and make a normal double crochet into that chain 1 space. No chains, and we work directly into the next corner with a double crochet and 2 chains. Now another double crochet. Skipping the 2 half double crochets below, going into the corner space with a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet, yarn over, skipping 2 half double crochets below, into the corner, we pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 chains and another double crochet. You can see here why this gets the name of V-stitch, because it looks exactly like a V. Yarn over into the next corner with a double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. One more, we've got a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. Now we need to finish off this round with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch that we made, pulling a loop through and then pull the left loop through the right one on your hook. Now we're going to slip stitch into the chain 2 corner space. So just one little stitch over, pull up a loop and pull it through the loop on your hook. And we now begin our work dead on into the corner space. For round number 3, we start in this corner with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, and then we do 2 double crochet in the center of this side. Okay, so we don't skip the 2 double crochets below. Doing our beginning double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1. Now another double crochet, a normal one, chain 1, 2 more double crochets in that corner. Now we're going to pop 2 double crochets between these 2 stitches below. That's the side of your hexagon. Now back to the next corner with 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Skip 1 stitch from below, and then find that center space along your side and pop 2 double crochets in there. Now a corner, so 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. You can see the hexagon starting to form really well now. All right, 2 double crochets into that side space and then corner again. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Now you continue on and I'll meet you back here at the end really soon. Now we've completed round number 3. We need to close it off with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch that we made. Now we're going to slip stitch across to that corner. Pop your hook through the corner space, pull up a loop, pulling it through the loop on your hook. Now we're going to continue on with that same pattern we did for round number 3. Corners are 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then the spaces in between the double crochets along the side are just 2 double crochets. So let's start with our special double crochet for a single crochet and a chain 1, doing a normal double crochet and a chain 1, 2 more double crochets in the corner, skipping 2 stitches below and doing 2 double crochets on that side. Now there's another one, skip 2 stitches, working into that side space. Now we're into the corner with 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Let's do this side together, skipping 2 below, doing 2 double crochets into that little space, skip 2 stitches below, doing 2 double crochets. Now we're on the corner with 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Let's do one more side together. So skipping 2 stitches below, working into that little space with 2 double crochets, skip 2 more, 2 double crochets, and you're back to another corner. There's lots of corners in these Hexies, isn't there? Corners everywhere. Okay, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. All right, let's finish this round off and I'll meet you back here soon. That's the end of round 4, finishing off with a slip stitch to close, and then we will do one more round. Pull that loop through and through the right hand loop on your hook. We need to work our way over to the corner again. Let's go into the top of the next stitch on the left, under the little V, pulling up your loop, pull it through the loop on your hook and into the corner space with another slip stitch. Now we're going to do exactly what we did for round number 4. Start off with our special double crochet, then another normal one and a chain 1. 2 more double crochet. Now you're just going to skip 2 stitches below and work into that little space with 2 double crochet for your sides. There's another one, skip 2. This is in the center of your side. Skip 2 below, 1 more. Now we're on to the corner with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. I'll do one more side with you before we go off on our own. So skip 2 stitches below and work into that little space with 2 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches below, do 2 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches below and do 2 double crochet. And then we are back to our next corner. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Rightio, let's whiz around this hexagon and then this one will be complete. See you soon. Now we've completed round number 5 and we're not going to close with a slip stitch because we're going to snip up our yarn, pull the loop through, and we're going to use a darning needle to close. Pop your yarn into the eye of the needle. Now finding your first stitch, we're going to work into the one next to it under that V, making a loop by putting your needle down through the center of the last double crochet that you made, and it sits over top of that first stitch. There you have your invisible finish. Now working your yarn end through your stitches, trying to break a few fibres as you go. I'll just go this way, then I'll come back, I think. Try and work in and out, in and out. I've got enough of a tail left there to do a little bit more. There we go. Now we will do the yarn end from the magic ring. Firm it up. I'm going to go round to the left 3 times. And then back towards the right side once and twice. You can do more if you want to, of course. There we have hexagon pattern number 5. I am going to see you all really soon for hexagon pattern number 6. Until then, take care and bye for now.